Back at y'all once again for the last time for the night, brothers and sisters. I just want to talk some more about the Walter Scott case, how disheartening it is. And then on top of that, you got a brother that was a judge. The judge presiding over this. You know, that made it even worse. You know what I'm saying? Where do you find his time at? You know, they probably did it on purpose. Not surprising. But make it real quick. It's kind of perfect timing here. Brother of mine had gave me this card here. It's called Black is Back. Know Your Rights card. And obviously, you can't read it. So I'm going to read it to you. And I think it's imperative that all of us be aware of our rights as we are driving and as we are out in public. Okay, we need to know our rights. And so I just want to share this with y'all for a minute. It says here, the police are a military occupation force in the black community. So here's what to do. If the police interrogate you, number one, cops have to read your rights before they interrogate you. 2, you should ask to speak to a lawyer. It will never help you to talk to cops. And 3, if you decide to talk to the cops anyway, you can decide to stop talking at any time and ask for a lawyer. The cop himself must stop interrogating you, okay? If you are in a car, it says, if cops legally stop you and see something illegal in plain view, they can search your car without a warrant. If cops legally stop you, they can frisk the driver and search the passenger compartment. They cannot, however, search your trunk. Even if they arrest you, they cannot search your trunk on the scene. But if cops have probable cause that something is in your trunk, contains illegal contraband, or the car is impounded, cops can search the entire car, including the trunk. Never consent to a search of your car, even if you have nothing illegal. Okay? Never do that. It goes on to say, if you are stopped by the police, 1, ask if you are free to go. Stay calm. Don't physically resist or run. You might get shot. Number 2, try to remember the badge number, the name, and physical description of the cop or cops who stopped you. 3, say little as possible and only answer their basic questions, name, address, etc. Talking to police would never help you. 4, they can only legally search you if they think you are armed and dangerous. 5, if the police search you, they can only legally search you for weapons, not drugs. Okay, a lot of people don't know that. 6, say loudly, I do not consent to this search, so that others can hear you. And lastly, cops may search you illegally, but your lawyer might be able to get the evidence thrown out if the search was illegal. Okay? If the police arrest you, don't say anything. Just ask for a lawyer. Don't talk to the police. Speak on videotape. Talk to a district attorney or other inmates about anything that has to do with the crime you have been arrested for. You will be handcuffed, searched, photographed, and fingerprinted. Do not sign anything. Cops are trained to trick you. All right? Just wanted to share that with y'all, brothers and sisters. Hope it's helpful information. If you like this video, please pass it on, especially with this information. I think it's important to pass it on. So please pass this information on, brothers and sisters. All brothers and sisters need this information, okay? Please pass it on. And if you feel free, please subscribe. Won't cost you a penny. All right, family. Peace and blessings. I'm gone.